Hi guys, Becky here. Today I'm going to be doing a video showing you how I string my recurve bow with a bow stringer, so stay tuned. So I've got all my components here with me. And the first thing that I need to do is set up my bow. I have a takedown bow, so I'm going to put all the parts together. So that is my bow set up. Now I've just got to put the string on. So like I said, I'm going to be using a bow stringer to do this today. You can set up a recurve bow without this, but I like to use it. So on your string you have two loops. You have a bigger loop and a smaller one. So the big loop always goes at the top of your bow and the small one goes at the bottom. So I'm just going to slide the bigger loop on the top here and bring it down like so. And I'm going to slot the smaller loop into the grooves like that. So now I'm going to introduce my bow stringer. On the bottom of the bow I'm going to slip the pocket on there. So that's sitting nicely. And on the other end of your bow stringer you should have a little saddle that just fits on there like so. So it should look something like that. You've got your bow string at the bottom and your string there. So once you've done that, you want to place 2 feet onto the bow stringer, and you're going to use the strength in your back just to stand up from this position so that you can put the string on. So what you're going to do, you're going to pull up on your bow and you're just going to gently slip the bigger loop into the nock, just like that. And there is your bow string. So afterwards you just want to check that your string is sitting in the grooves correctly. If not, it can spring out and it really hurts. So just make sure that both sides the string is sitting in the grooves. And after that, just have a little check, make sure it's pulling nicely and it's not slipping off. And that's you ready to go. So it's a similar process for taking the string off. It's just the opposite. You want to place your saddle back onto the upper side of your bow, and the little pocket should slip onto the nock. And you're going to stand on your bow stringer again and gently pull up. And you're just going to slip the string off. and it should come off easily both sides. So that is just how I string and de-string my bow using a bow stringer. They're really useful and they get the job done quickly and efficiently. So it's good to use if you're a beginner, and I think they're quite cheap. I got mine when I bought my bow, so it just came with it. But they usually have a saddle and a little pocket. So now that my bow is set up and it's all sitting nicely, I'm going to just have a little practice. So I've got my target set up over there. I really rate that target, and I bring it out with me. It's nice and small so it can fit in my bag, which I carry my bow in and my arrows and the target. So I'm just going to have a little practice. I haven't done the range too far because I'm just going to get into it, and obviously the more practice you have, the further and more accurate you can be. But today I'm just going to be focusing on my grouping instead of long range. This is the target I use. I really like this target because it's obviously got all the different colours that you can aim for. When you know you're getting loads of arrows in the yellow, you know you're getting better. So you can this can help with practicing archery and trying to aim for different colours. And obviously the smaller the area, the better you're getting. So this is what I use. I also like it because it's pretty easy to get the arrows out as it's made from straw. It's quite small, so it's nice for carrying, and it does the job. Yeah. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it interesting and learned something from it maybe. So thank you for watching and take care.